Honda has been the go-to choice for millions of car buyers worldwide. But what if I told you there are four Japanese brands that are quietly outperforming Honda in reliability, value, and overall ownership experience? Today, we're revealing why Mazda, Toyota, Lexus, and Subaru might be better long-term investments than your trusted Honda. Before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe for honest car reviews, and drop a comment below telling me which of these four brands interests you most. Your insights help our community make better car buying decisions.
Fourth place, Mazda. Mazda has quietly transformed itself from a budget-friendly option into one of the most refined and well-engineered automotive brands on the market today. While Honda continues to focus on mainstream practicality and basic transportation needs, Mazda offers something truly special: a unique combination of long-term reliability, premium styling, and engaging driving dynamics that punches well above its weight class. The secret behind Mazda's success lies in their revolutionary SkyActiv technology, which prioritizes fuel efficiency, low emissions, and mechanical simplicity over complicated engineering solutions. Unlike many competitors who rely heavily on turbocharged engines or complex hybrid systems, Mazda keeps things elegantly simple in most of their lineup, which translates directly to lower maintenance costs and higher reliability over time. This approach has paid off significantly in recent reliability studies, with Consumer Reports' 2024 Auto Reliability Survey ranking Mazda third overall, beating Honda, which placed sixth. The financial benefits are equally impressive, with RepairPal rating Mazda as one of the most dependable brands, showing an average annual repair cost of just $462, which is remarkably close to Honda's $428, while offering superior driving experience. Models like the Mazda 3, CX-30, and CX-5 consistently outshine their Honda equivalents in design, comfort, and handling characteristics that matter to daily driving satisfaction. Third place, Toyota. If Mazda is the enthusiast's hidden gem, Toyota stands as the undisputed global benchmark for reliability and longevity in the automotive world. Few brands carry Toyota's sterling reputation, built not on flashy marketing or cutting-edge technology, but on decades of consistent engineering excellence and unwavering customer trust. While Honda remains highly respected throughout the industry, Toyota edges it out in several critical areas that matter most to long-term ownership: superior reliability ratings, stronger resale value, broader global reach, and more advanced hybrid technology. The numbers speak for themselves in J.D. Power's 2024 U.S. Vehicle Dependability Study, where Toyota ranked as the #1 mass-market brand for long-term reliability, with fewer reported issues per 100 vehicles than nearly any other automaker in the industry. Consumer Reports consistently places Toyota models near the top of their reliability rankings, often outperforming Honda in crucial categories like compact SUVs, hybrid vehicles, and full-size trucks. Toyota's hybrid systems represent a major technological advantage that Honda simply cannot match currently, with the Toyota hybrid system found in popular models like the RAV4 Hybrid, Prius, and Camry Hybrid, delivering class-leading fuel efficiency, low maintenance requirements, and impressive longevity, that often exceeds expectations. It's not uncommon for Toyota hybrids to surpass 300,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance, while Honda's hybrid systems, though improving, still trail Toyota's proven track record for durability and reliability. We're halfway through our countdown, and I hope you're seeing why these alternatives might be worth considering over Honda. If you're getting value from this breakdown, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments which brand you're most interested in exploring further. Second place, Lexus. While Toyota dominates the mainstream market with reliability and value, Lexus commands the premium segment with an unmatched combination of luxury, reliability, and long-term value that few brands, including Honda's upscale division Acura, can hope to match. For buyers seeking refined performance without the notorious repair costs and complications associated with German luxury cars, Lexus stands as the clear and obvious choice. The brand's superiority is backed by concrete data from the 2024 J.D. Power Vehicle Dependability Study, where Lexus ranked as the #1 overall brand, beating all mainstream and luxury automakers, including Honda. This isn't a one-time achievement or statistical anomaly, as Lexus has consistently topped reliability charts for over a decade, demonstrating sustained excellence in engineering and manufacturing quality. Consumer Reports also ranks Lexus among the most dependable brands available today, while Honda has shown more variability in recent years, particularly in their hybrid and turbocharged models that have experienced some reliability concerns. Lexus builds their vehicles with an unwavering focus on long-term durability, with many of their powertrains shared with Toyota's proven technology, combining that legendary reliability with a smoother, more refined driving experience befitting a luxury brand. Popular models like the RX, ES, and GX often surpass 250,000 miles, while still running on original factory parts, a testament to their build quality and engineering excellence. First place, Subaru. Among Japanese automakers, Subaru stands out as the ultimate choice for buyers prioritizing rugged durability, standard all-wheel drive capability, and building a long-term relationship with their vehicle. While Honda offers solid practicality for everyday driving needs, Subaru takes dependability much further, with vehicles specifically designed for harsh conditions and extended use that goes well beyond typical driving scenarios. For buyers focused on dependability, safety, and longevity above all else, Subaru makes a significantly stronger case than Honda in multiple critical areas. Consumer Reports, 2024 Auto Reliability Rankings placed Subaru at #1 overall, ahead of Toyota, Lexus, and Honda, highlighting the brand's focus on simplified, standardized engineering built to last through decades of use. A key advantage that sets Subaru apart is their symmetrical all-wheel drive system, which comes standard on nearly all models, unlike Honda's optional AWD systems that add cost and complexity. Subaru's AWD is integrated from the ground up during the design process, delivering superior traction, balance, and control in poor weather conditions or off-road situations that would challenge other vehicles. The brand's distinctive boxer engines also lower the center of gravity compared to traditional engine layouts, improving handling characteristics and crash performance. While recent updates have made them more fuel-efficient while preserving the legendary toughness that defines popular models like the Forester, Outback, and Crosstrek. These four Japanese brands prove that Honda, while still a solid choice, isn't necessarily the best option for every buyer's needs and priorities. Whether you're drawn to Mazda's refined driving experience, Toyota's unmatched reliability record, Lexus's luxury without the maintenance headaches, or Subaru's go-anywhere capability, each offers compelling advantages over Honda in specific areas that matter most to long-term ownership satisfaction. The key is understanding what you value most in a vehicle and choosing the brand that aligns best with those priorities. Thanks for watching, and remember to like this video if it helped you think differently about your next car purchase. Subscribe for more honest automotive insights, and let me know in the comments which of these four brands you're most interested in learning more about.